I'll give you 2 reasons why you should buy this. 1, affordable, like very affordable compared to most vacuums, right? 2, the suction power. Like, obviously the camera doesn't do this much justice, and keep in mind this whole thing was clear, like you could see through it. It's about up to like right here after one vacuum. It wasn't even like a thorough vacuuming job, it was just a quick job on this patch, and this patch. So clearly lots of suction power for just one quick walkthrough. So this, and keep in mind, I had just vacuumed maybe a week and a half ago, possibly 2 weeks. I haven't been here too long, but look at that. So this both grosses me out like a lot, like it really does gross me out, but it also like really impresses me. So, and keep in mind, I would never post a review, but this just impressed me so much.
Okay, so this tiny little vacuum is small but mighty. You can see the tracks that I have right here. This is all I did, just in the floor right here. And the first time I used it, would you look at all of that crap? This was perfectly clear, like right before I got it, and there's like so much stuff in there. I'm super impressed and also really grossed out, but this was worth it.
All right, so this is some sugar that I spilt. See that? See, no sugar here. Now there's sugar here. That's where the sugar is. Now that's where the sugar is.